In this video, I will show you how to fix the Nvidia control panel not showing in the Windows 10 right click menu. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Sometimes it can happen that you don't get the Nvidia control panel in your right click menu to adjust the settings. So how to fix that? The method is extremely simple. The tutorial is very short, so I would request to continue watching it till the end. First thing first, you need to search for services app, and then you need to open that app. In the services app, you can press N and look for the Nvidia display container ls, this service. Right now the startup type is automatic, but the status is that it's not running. So what you need to do is that you need to just right click and press start, and if the service starts, you just need to go back and check your Nvidia control panel will be shown on the right click menu. If it still doesn't work, you just need to come back and click restart, and in this case I am sure that the Nvidia control panel will be shown. The last option what you can try is that you can restart your computer after changing the status of the service, but as you can see that I don't need to restart this my laptop, so I'm sure that this will work for you. So this is how you can fix the Nvidia control panel not showing in the Windows 10. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.